If I had to start all the way from zero again on TikTok with no knowledge of how to grow on the app, this is the exact video I would want to see. As you know, we are now living in the digital age, and it is very important that you know how to utilize the apps that are at your fingertips. So first, let's go over what this video is. This video is going to teach you how to build your TikTok, how to build community, how to build brand, and how to make money off TikTok. But what this video is not about selling you a course. I'm not stretching out something that can be
said very quickly over a 10-minute long video
like all of these TikTok gurus do. So if I was to have 0 followers right now and no knowledge of what to post or how to post on TikTok, these are the exact steps I would take. First, I would start off by first identifying what my content looks like. What is it that I want to talk about? Second, I would post very consistently. And what I mean by that is anywhere from 5 to 10 videos a day, every single day. When I first started posting on TikTok, I posted 5 to 10 videos every single day, maybe even all the way up to 20 videos a day. And yes, they were trash. They were terrible. Some of them only got a couple hundred views. Probably none of them got more than 5,000 views. But what this allowed me to do is to just first figure out what my content looked like. How do I create content? And what do people like? You have to first create 500 videos to even understand where you're going to take your account, where you're going to take your content. The main reason people are not able to grow their account is because they are scared to post. They're scared that posting too much will scare away their audience, or not posting good enough quality content is going to make people think bad about them. They tell themselves, I want to wait until I get good enough at posting, or I can get the best quality for my videos. None of that shit matters, okay? If you care about what people are going to think about your videos, you need to drop that mindset and just start posting, because the more you post, the better you're going to get at it. The more you post, the more followers you're going to get. And over months of time of just posting, you're going to become such a good content creator that it does not matter what you posted in the past. It will just show your growth. It will actually be inspiring that you came that far. So don't care about what people think of your post right now. Just start getting good at posting. So once you got that down, you figured out what your content looks like, and you've been uploading consistently for a couple months now. Hopefully you've gained around 5, 10, 15,000 followers. And now it's time to really start building community. And the best way to do that is to first off, reply to as many comments as possible, and second off, to go live as often as possible. Going live is what helped me take my account from gaining 5 to 8,000 followers a month to gaining 15 to 25,000 followers a month. Not only because you're going to be gaining a lot of followers from each and every single live, but you're going to be building a very good connection with each and every follower. It is very important to have loyal followers that will do what you say, followers that will share your videos, followers that will comment on your videos every single time and like every single one of your videos. Because when you put out a piece of content on TikTok, they show that video to your followers for like the first 30 minutes to an hour, I believe they say, and then it goes on to people that are not your followers. So you really want to have loyal followers. So build a good connection by replying to their comment, by going live, by answering the questions they throw on your live, and all that. Acknowledging them, remembering them is also very important. Modding people that come into your live every single day that you know you trust. It's all about just building a rapport with somebody. So we just went over how to grow your account, and that is just staying consistent, uploading as often as possible to get good at uploading, and also going live and building a good community. Now let's go on to how do you actually create good videos? What is the format? How do you get people to share your videos? How do you get people to comment? Because those are the most 2 important actions you want the viewer to make. So when it comes to making a good TikTok video, you really need 2 things. You need a hook and you need a call to action. Unless you're someone famous like Charli D'Amelio and all those people, and you can just dance and hit the bow and get many shares, you're gonna have to know how to create a good video that will hook people in and make them want to share it. I want to play you the first 5 seconds of some of my most popular videos. So here's one that just got 1.6 million views within 2 or 3 days. Here's the hook.
So I just found out some crazy shit on Twitter this morning. You need to hear this. The pill can make
women attracted to guys. I just found out some crazy shit on Twitter this morning. You need to hear this. What is the crazy shit? What do I need to hear? You see? Now here's another one that I've uploaded twice. This one got 702. I think the one before probably got close to 1 million. But listen.
The reason you can't get over them is not because they're the most amazing person on planet Earth.
The reason you can't get over them is not because they're the most amazing person on planet Earth. Okay, then what are they? They want to know. You hook them in. You know, they want to find out. They want to know why they can't get over that person. You just got to hook them in there. You know, don't try to be attention grabbing. Just try to add value. Try to be entertaining. So I notice a lot of people, they'll start off their videos with like, oh my god, you need to hear this, you need to hear this so bad, don't scroll past this. Like, just quick hook, 3 seconds, then get into the video, okay? Because people are either gonna want to watch your video or they're not gonna watch your video. You don't worry about keeping every single viewer in that video, just because again, you want to attract the right people. If somebody just want to hear about your video, then just let them scroll, because you don't want the wrong followers. You want people who follow you because they want to hear the shit you want to talk about. Okay, when you have that cult-like following, every single one of your videos is going to do good. It is. So don't worry about getting all the followers. Worry about attracting the right followers. All right, here's another one. They got 558,000 views. Here's the hook.
Stop thinking about them. Listen, I know how it feels to want to go back to somebody so fucking bad.
So a lot of the stuff I do post will be about relationships, but the hook there is you hit them off right away with something. Whoa, stop thinking about them. How do you know I'm thinking about them, right? And then you go, I know you sympathize with them. I know how it feels. And people really just want somebody to connect on their level. So basically, I'm connecting with the viewer on that level. So you kind of pick up what's going on. You just have to post. You have to get good at it. You have to see what works. Oh, and I also want to show you some call to action. So that first video I showed you, that Twitter video that got 1.6 million views. Like, holy shit, look at what I found on Twitter this morning. You need to hear this. Here's the call to action.
Because they wanted to have kids, and she instantly just like fell out of love with him. So I'm not saying this is right or anything's correct, but I want to know what you think about this because this is interesting.
So I'm not saying this is right or this is correct, but I want to know what you think about this, so drop it in the comments below. It was a controversial, somewhat topic, so I want to hear from you. What do you got to say? And there was 2,677 comments on that video with almost 10,000 shares. So you want to get people to comment and you want to get people to share. So always have a call to action at the end. What do you think about this? I want to know your opinion. I've had some more where I'll go over like my 6 biggest, most attractive habits a guy can have. And at the end, I'll be like, so for number 6, I want you to drop your tip of advice for men out there. You know, and then the women are going to drop the advice they wish their ex had and they're so mad at them. And then the men are going to drop their advice. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's always good to have a call to action at the end and get really creative with it. Don't just be like, drop a comment down below or follow this. Be creative with it, okay? You don't just do this because you want a like and a follow and a share from the viewer. Do this because you want to like provide value. You want to entertain the person. Fall in love with this. Don't just do it because you just want that number next to your name. Fall in love with it, okay? I want to talk a little bit about what time you should upload, because a lot of the gurus will say you have to upload at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and then 7 p.m. because these are the most active times. It doesn't fucking matter what time you upload. I upload videos at 2 a.m. I upload videos at fucking 7 a.m. I upload videos right in the middle of the day. It doesn't really fucking matter. The one thing you should understand about this, though, is that you have to think about what your viewer wants to see at that time of the day. Yes, videos after 5 p.m. do really better. They catch the algorithm a lot quicker because everybody's home now. They want to be entertained. They want to watch videos. If you upload that video at 7 a.m., it's probably not going to pick up as much traction, but it depends on your content. Again, like I said, you want to upload it based on when you think that your viewer is going to watch that content. Like, all of these videos I used to record in my car, it was just pitch black out, and it was talking about like relationships and shit, because those videos used to just go mad viral, and I love creating them, and I got good responses from them. But I would upload them at like 12 o'clock, 2 a.m., because that's when people are probably laying in bed thinking about their fucking ex, crying over them, and then they come across my video. I didn't draft it and wait till the next day to upload it at 5 p.m. because that is when the TikTok guru told me to upload it. I just upload it when I freaking created the video, okay? So don't think about it too much, okay? So honestly, it's really that simple to grow on TikTok. You stay consistent. You get good at making content by uploading a crap ton when you first start out, okay? You can just model after a couple people or a couple TikTokers that you really look up to. Get good at uploading, consistently upload, then start building rapport with your viewers by going live, by commenting back to all of them, liking their comments, and also replying to comments within like the first 5 or 10 minutes after uploading a video. I've noticed somewhat helps the video sometimes. Because it will bring that viewer back into the video and hopefully get you some more screen time right away, etc., etc. And again, you want to have good hooks. You want to put good call to actions. Try to be creative with them. As in, don't just have it such a basic black and white hook. Like the person knows that that's a hook. No, You want to just immerse them into it. And again, for the call to action, don't just have it be a black and white call to action. Be creative with the freaking video, yo. Again, it doesn't really matter what time you post, just post. So after that, I want to give you some mindset tips and like goal setting tips to help you really achieve your goals. First off, I have a piece of paper over here on my wall that is my 1-year goal, and I was all about growing on social media. So I wrote this like December 31st, 2021. Like I decided to start uploading January, 2022, right after New Year's. Basically, my goal was to build a good amount of following online, to give myself a platform to do, etc., etc. So you want to set goals. You want to be able to see them somewhere every day. And I have a whiteboard right here that no longer has the goals on here, but it used to have the amount of TikTok followers I want, the amount of followers I want to gain every single month. It's really all about the amount of value you're adding. How creative are you? That is kind of a direct correlation to how many followers you are gaining. If you're just copying other people's content and just doing the bare minimum, that's why you're getting no views. Many people will just upload the same shit for so long and they'll be like, why am I not getting followers? Bro, if you're not getting followers from what you're uploading, take a step back and go a different path, okay? Just like when you're in a maze, if there's a dead end, why are you just like staring at that dead end going, why I want to open? Turn around, walk around a little, and try to go a different way, okay? You have to analyze what is not working and try something else. I've gotten stuck in loops where I just upload the same crap that does not work for a month straight, and I'm like, why am I getting? Oh, it's because I gotta try something else. This is not working, so go and try something else. I do want to mention, I recommend you get some type of good lighting. TikTok does push videos that have better lighting. They want the app to be bright. They want it to be happy. So when your videos are more bright, the more etc. They just have good lighting and good quality overall around. They'll push your video more. So this light right here was $30 on Amazon. It's a ring light and it came with a tripod, and it also came with a phone stand. So not only did I have a tripod to record my videos on, but I had a freaking ring light to make my videos look better. So I would really recommend, if you got the money, to invest in stuff like that. Oh, I just thought of another thing. You were not shadow banned. You were not shadow banned because shadow banning is really not a freaking thing, okay? Your content just sucks.
It fucking sucks.
Somebody at the gym once was like, I heard you do TikTok or something. Like, yeah. He was like, how many followers you got? I was like, I said 130. He was like, oh, that's cool. Like, I tried doing it, but I was just getting 0 views. I was shadow banned. I was like, you're not shadow banned. People don't get shit banned. He was like, I literally got 0 views though. And I just want to say your content sucks, but I don't know. I'm not that much of a tech head. But yeah, if you're getting no views, it's not because even if you got 50,000 followers and you're getting 1,000 views a video, you're not shadow banned. Your content fucking sucks, dude. That's literally all it is, period, okay? Stop laying out shadow banning unless you're like Sneeko, unless you're like one of these very controversial people. I seriously doubt TikTok went in and put a little shadow ban on you, okay? Even after, like, I've gotten banned for 7 days before on TikTok. The day after, this is the recent, the day after I get a video with 1 million views. Or I've gotten banned before and I've had videos blow up while I'm being banned. So shadow banning really isn't a thing. You just have to upload good content, dude. And again, the best way to get good at that is by simply consistently uploading videos and being okay with absolutely just uploading shit trash, because you know that you're gonna get good at it. Go look at my account, user RLJ. Scroll back to some of my first videos. So bad, dude. I would try to talk about this video. I'm like, this is blah 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 blah. I just look sick. I sounded sick. All of that. Now look at them now, they're way better. You'll get good at that, okay? So at the end of the day, it's really just that simple to grow your TikTok. And again, with like the mindset we were talking about, don't compare yourself to other people, okay? A couple reasons why. You're in a different lane than them. Like me, my thing is all just literally just about basically my life. But I'll go compare myself to somebody who's a comedy person, entertainer. Of course they're gonna have more followers because they're less opinionated. The more opinionated you are, the less views and followers you're probably gonna get in some circumstances. But the more loyal those people are gonna be because you connect on a different level with that person. So really don't compare yourself to anybody else on the app. Just compare yourself to how you were doing last month, you know? As long as you're doing better than the person you were last month, that is growth, okay? You're growing with the app, remember that. You're not just growing your account, you're growing yourself. So yeah, this is a journey, okay? So that really sums everything up. I just gave you everything I've learned in the past 9 months and from taking a couple courses. That simple, 10-15 minute video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned, and I hope you freaking reach 100,000 followers on TikTok, because it is really helpful. People, like, now that I have 140,000 followers, I don't think much of it, but people will be like, holy shit, bro, you're freaking famous. And I'm like, sure. But you can actually get some brand deals on there. I've gotten hit up with some before. I just didn't really want to do them. But again, it depends on your content. So yeah, yo, that's really all there is freaking to it. Set your goal, stay consistent, upload good content, fall in love with it, become obsessed about it, build community. Have a good day, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, drop a like on it. If you like my channel and you like me, drop me a subscribe, please. If you want to comment something, go ahead and comment. I love all my comments. I love reading them is what I meant, and I will reply to all of them. If you want to keep learning more, click right here or right here, one or the other, okay? Click somewhere around here. I'm going to throw up a video that you can learn more about me or something I got to talk about. Other than that, peace out, y'all.